Ta-da! We arrived in Greece, and the first thing I see is Little Nita's chocolates and these delicious Greek snacks and desserts and stuff. But I'm going to resist now because we're just in the airport. You know, you can't eat this stuff now. We just arrived and we have to have dinner too because it's 7:40 p.m. At the airport. We rented a car because one night in Athens and 6 in the Peloponnese, but we're going by car, right? When we were renting at the car rental place, we used Europe car. The man said, well, my husband asked, well, so what's the speed limit? And he said, I think 120, he said, the guy at the counter. Okay, and he said, but it's not a problem for me because when I go fast, I remove the license plate. So that is a tip about, you know, so you don't get charged or they can't take a picture and know who you are if you're speeding, if you don't have a license plate on your car. I thought it was driving in Greece is crazy. I already know. Enrico's been here before, so this is my first time here, but Enrico's been here before and he already knows. Okay, so you can't really, it's dark, but we got this red Fiat Panda. It's very cute. It seems very new and nice. Yay. Oh good, we have to check everything to make sure it's okay. Yay, we're going!
Ciao.
Ciao, we're off to Athens city center. We're staying at the Adams Hotel. And look, I prepared in a binder everything. I have it, I have my seatbelt on. And I have like 20 pages of itinerary, like a shopping list, and like day 1, Athens, day 2, like day 1, it wasn't like day 1. So I planned an itinerary, a shopping list, everything. I'm so crazy. My itinerary is 20 pages long. Day 1, we're arriving at night, so there isn't much there. We're just gonna go to a restaurant. Day 2, I've got so much. Day 3, so I'm like really crazy when it comes to traveling. I love to travel, so I like to research everything. And yeah, we're using Google Maps to get around.
Welcome in Greece.
We're in Athens. I'm trying to hold the camera to show you what like the city looks like. Oh, they have KFC in Athens? Wow, they don't have it in Italy. KFC, like I was just shocked. I've never seen KFC in Europe before. Anywhere in Europe. You should see on that side, up there, the Acropolis. The streets are very bumpy here. So we're headed, on Enrico's side is the Arch of, what is it? Herodotus or something? And the temple to Zeus is there too. I saw the columns a while ago. You will. Here we're in the heart, in the Plaka area actually. You know that it's a full moon today? Yeah, look. Here you can find a lot of souvenir stuff, of course. There are cats, like so many cats. I've seen about 10 different cats in the same block. It's crazy. There's 2 little babies that just passed by. We ate at that restaurant over there. It's okay. We couldn't find, we were looking at Athens Survival Guide and we couldn't find the any of the restaurants. They're so difficult to find. He doesn't, an Athens Survival Guide, it's a blog and they don't have the addresses of the restaurants. He tries to explain like kind of where they are, but it's really difficult to find them without the address.
are on the left.
Yeah. So we found this place. I'm meeting. Okay, I'm on the roof of the Adams Hotel, and this is the view from there of the Acropolis. I guess this is the back of the Acropolis then, but you can kind of see some columns there, and that might be like the gate or something. So the ancient stairs where you walk up to the Acropolis. So maybe we're on the side of the Acropolis, and then we are in Plaka. So I don't know if you can really see. I don't know if you can see down here, but this is the Plaka area of Athens. There's another hill. There are many hills, of course. This is a hilly place. So it's morning in Athens. This is wearing a hat because it's very sunny. Ta-da! Going to the Acropolis, but this is on the way. And you can just see like all the way going up. So much has been, like so many old stones. So you have the I don't know, statues and things from the Acropolis. Beautiful. Here we are.
They wash themselves, yeah.
Con el móvil, ¿vale? Cariño. Pero vendo mi comida.
Going up and do.
A lot of people.
Je n'ai pas revu de. Welcome.
Are we walking through a gate? Yeah.
What is this all about?
Yeah, maybe we should read a bit. So that's kind of like the gate part where you enter. It's under construction, of course.
Remember all the. Okay.
was like, why would you always like Alex from Macedonia, right? Alexander the
Yeah, and
Great.
Alexander the Great is from Greece.
Yeah, of course.
But in Macedonia, in Scotland, the capital, they just built this massive statue of Alexander the Great.
In Macedonia. Okay. Yeah, I read that that the National Museum here in Athens, they had a room against the British. So they just
From the from the
from the British, because some guy took it like centuries ago.
He was one of the first archaeologists who he took it off. Shafta de la psicología adelantado. Mira que es la de psicología adelantado.
It's hot. It's very hot.
Sempre prosti. Economici domani.
En la etapa de dominación de residencia personal con arreglo del gobernador.
And so? Maybe she wants food. Because maybe someone there opened the door and she knows that's where the food comes from. Ciao. This is baby Athena.
She stays well there under the wing.
Yeah, it's good. It's a beautiful cat. I don't know why they're singing right now. But I found the star of the Acropolis right.
Yo.
Y tenemos las cositas que yo tengo escritas ahí también.
Not doing movies. Let it go.
Era una cosa.
¿Tú crees que si guardamos esto en la mochila se rompe?
Era en blanco. Y yo le he puesto en la mochila blanco normal. No, está tan terrible. Era así plegado.
That's down there. There's the temple to Zeus. Temple of Hephaestus, ancient agora. We're gonna try to go there later.
Ah, mira. Sí, hay.
Dice, solo quedan fragmentos del friso que presenta.
No, this is all part of the entrance, the gate building.
Hay partes del friso que no se ven, así como a ver, ¿cómo se
Even the floor is interesting. Oh, people put money in there because it's an old well, maybe. I don't know. They put coins in there. Must be good luck. This is the end. So they're going to try to make this area available. So these are the neighborhoods of Athens, the ancient neighborhoods. But it's not available yet. They're working.